welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because I'm finally doing the 3 marker challenge. I know a lot of you all have asked me to do it, and oh my gosh, it was absolutely traumatizing picking those colors, because it's like, as an artist, it's like, man, to have no idea what color you're gonna pick, I mean, or have, like, it's just like, it's crazy. But I had a lot of fun doing this, and I am super excited to show you all of my process, the colors that I picked, and how it turned out. And yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, you guys. So this is the moment of truth. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely traumatizing as an artist to not know which 3 colors I'm gonna have to use to color this drawing. But it's okay, here we go. Here we go. Alright, my eyes are closed. They're closed. Alright. My first color. Okay. My second color. My second color. Okay, now let's pick my third color. Okay, here's my third color. Did I say my second color?
It's your third.
Oh, okay. I just didn't want to mess up the numbers. Okay, so I've gotten my markers chosen, and oh my gosh, you guys. Oh goodness, I am just. Drum roll, please. Okay, here I go.
Ta-da!
Ooh, okay. I can work with these colors. So we've got purple, pink, and we've got this mimosa yellow.
Mustard yellow.
This is mimosa yellow, not mustard yellow. Okay. So, yeah, we've got our 3 markers, and I'm excited to give this challenge a go. So, yeah, let's get started. Why take my markers from me? Okay, you guys, so here are my 3 colors. First, I have V17, and it's called Amethyst. And then I have RV13. Does it have a name for it? Tender Pink. And then I have YG00, Mimosa Yellow. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in time lapse and get started with the process, and I will definitely do a little voiceover to let you guys know what was going on. Alrighty, you guys, so the first color that I wanted to start out with for the skin is the Mimosa Yellow. I was just like, you know what, let me just go for it. This is a challenge, and I'm not thinking too hard about it, not overthinking it, especially because I only have 3 colors. So I decided to go ahead and color the skin Mimosa Yellow. And as I'm doing the skin, I decided to give it kind of like a texture. So if you look closely, I don't know if the camera's picking it up too well, but you'll see. I'm basically kind of like making it kind of speckled around the edges, kind of like making like little circles, or like basically making it like a texture, like a skin texture, because I thought that would make for an interesting skin color or design for my character, especially because she is a sea nymph. And I was like, oh, okay, I could, you know, do a little something with that. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing right here. But yeah, this challenge is definitely very exciting, a lot of fun. Right here, I'm actually testing out the pink at the top part of the head, but at first I was a little hesitant. I was like, I don't know if I'm liking how it looks, but I was just like, you know what? I need some depth for the skin, so let me just go for it. Let me just see if I can just mix the colors around. And it started to give me like an orange, and I was like, okay, I'm liking it. So I decided to add some depth to the skin by going in with that pink and adding more texture to it and giving it like more interest when you look at it. So I ended up liking how it was going, and I just kept, putting it around in some areas, so that was coming out well. decided that I would go ahead and add some yellow over there, and then for the seaweed I decided to start going in with the purple so we can start getting those the contrast from the skin through the seaweed, so the seaweed can stand out since it is on top of her skin, and that's what's covering her. And then I decided to go ahead and color her fins purple as well. And I also colored in her eyes purple too. That ended up well. Then I started to add in some of that pink into the jellyfish, and I was just like, okay, so since I have this accent of pink, and fun fact, you guys, I actually started running out of the pink marker, which was like, oh my gosh, and that's probably why I decided I would use the pink a little bit in the skin and the jellyfish. And I decided to color that big part of the jellyfish purple, try to add in a little bit more pink there too. But yeah, I had to figure out like, whoa, how am I gonna put this pink in before it runs out? So I was able to put it in as an accent color. And then for the hair, which I originally was thinking about doing it pink at first, but I was like, you know what? No, I'm just gonna do it purple, since everything is kind of like flowing throughout the picture kind of cohesively with the colors this way. So we got a little bit of purple in the jellyfish, a little bit of purple on our sea nymph, and the main hair part, I just decided, you know what, I'll just color this all purple. And as I was coloring it, later on I realized that I started to run out of marker too, and I was like, oh my goodness, what am I gonna do here? So it actually started to work out for my good, because it started to kind of like give me an effect like of texture. It started to make it like look like I was using a lighter color purple when I was actually using the same marker, just because it started to run out of ink. So it actually worked out for my good that it started to run out of ink, and it gave me a really cool effect at the end. But anyways, yeah, you guys, I want you guys to continue to watch this video, and then you'll see what I'm talking about that purple hair. And yeah, I hope you all enjoy watching. Okay, my dears, so as we get towards the end of the video, I want to mention that it does get cut off a bit, yep, right there with the hair. But basically I was just going along with the lines of the hair and the curves of it, and that's how I ended up with that. But yeah, you guys, this is how the final piece turned out. I ended up coloring the bubbles in mimosa yellow, so everything could kind of flow cohesively with the colors. And yeah, I'm actually happy with how it came out. The colors actually turned out working well, and I was able to figure out how I wanted to do it, and I had a lot of fun doing this video, you guys. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed my 3 marker challenge. Let me know what other challenges you guys would like to see below. And yeah, any other art video ideas that you guys have or whatever, you know, let me know below, you guys. So thanks so much for watching, and yeah, peace, love, and God bless. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.